What if your next trip matched your zodiac energy? I'm speedrunning 2026 travel picks for every sun sign. Quick, fun, totally customizable. Take what hits, skip what doesn't. Aries, you're fueled by motion. Tokyo is your playground. Neon nights, ramen runs, arcades that never sleep. Hit the scramble, then chase sunrise at Machu Picchu. Taurus, you crave comfort and beauty. Tuscany is slow mornings, vineyards, long lunches, golden hills. Book that farmhouse stay and savor everything. Gemini, you're here for variety. New York City is ideas stacked on ideas. Gallery hop in Chelsea comedy. In the village dumplings at midnight, never boring. Cancer, you recharge near water. The Amalfi Coast is soft light. Sea breezes, cozy stays. Think lemon groves, quiet coves, dinners that feel like home. Leo, you love a show. Dubai brings drama, skyline views, desert safaris, slick beach clubs. Dress bold, make an entrance, own the room. Virgo, you notice details. Kyoto rewards it. Temple paths, tea rituals, moss gardens, artisan streets. Plan it tight, then let the calm unfold. Libra, you seek balance and beauty. Paris delivers. Museums, river walks, cafe, corners, vintage finds, golden hour on the Seine is your headline moment. Scorpio, you want depth. Machu Picchu hits the soul. Trek the sacred valley. Learn the stories, watch the mist lift over ancient stone. Sagittarius, you chase horizons. Patagonia is scale. Glaciers, wine trails that run to the edge of silence. Pack layers and go long. Capricorn, you respect structure and history. Berlin is your lab. Monuments, museums, efficient transit, a surprising nightlife when the work is done. Aquarius, you think ahead. Seoul is future-facing. Tech districts, indie cafes, late-night markets, design at every turn. Plug in, explore, repeat. Pisces, you feel the vibe. Santorini is dream mode. Whitewashed lanes, blue domes, sunsets that stop time. Journal by the sea, drift, create. Astrology's just a compass, not a cage. Swap destinations, mix styles, follow your curiosity. The best trip is the one that feels like you, right now. So, what's your sign, and where are you going in 2026? Drop it below, subscribe the channel. Safe travels, Star Traveler.